So friends, most welcome this Pathoscope channel. You are new for this Pathoscope, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, write down a question, write a program in Courier. What? Write a program in Courier. So let's see the screen and listen to this code. Dist, which means distance, and int, which means integer. And now input enter the distance, distance enter the distance equal. So friends, this मतलब distance and weight is equal to int, which means integer. I know. Again, input enter the weight. What? Enter the weight equal to, and amount is equal to 0. Amount is equal to 0 if dist dist is equal to 400 and weight is less than equal to 50. Weight is equal to 50. Amount is equal to 200. Amount is equal to 200. And if dist is less than 400 and this is less than or equal to 800, and weight is less than equal to 550. So amount is equal to 300. We got 300. If this, which means distance is less than 400 and this is less than equal to 800 and weight is greater than 50. amount is equal to 400. Else pass is. So friends, print courier charge is equal to amount. So friends, you have new for this Python scope channel, hit the like button and press the subscribe for get notification to basic to high level programming language. So friends, one output, enter the distance 5 kilometer, sorry, 5, only 5, not km. So run the program. 5, enter the weight 50, courier charge 200. So friends, let's understand. Enter the distance 5 kilometer, enter the weight 50 gram, enter courier charge 200. So friends, thanks for watching. Get hit the like button.